Series 11. 1. Are we using language to confuse ourselves? Too often in our time, the terms we use to organize our thinking are created by status agencies and serve to mislead us. One such set of terms created by the Internal Revenue Service is profit versus non-profit. Profit-making activities are taxed. Non-profit enterprises and agencies are not. People have come to classify activities in terms of these two terms as though they describe reality instead of a status categorization of taxation. Would it not be much more realistic to classify things without reference to the IRS? How useful would these terms be if the IRS were to disappear in the next decade? After all, they have reference only to tax status. I submit that the terms productive versus non-productive are much more useful. Churches, schools, and libraries are non-profits, but they are at the same time among the most productive agencies civilization has ever known. To eliminate them would be to eliminate civilization. Civil government is emphatically non-profit. Often it is not productive of too much good, but can be productive of social order when kept within its limits. The family is a non-profit community, but it is, most emphatically, a productive agency. Its decay is the decay of society and civilization. Because we have emphasized the profit versus non-profit perspective, we have tended to falsify our view of life. In every area, intellectual, industrial, and personal, we have downgraded the productive man in favor of the profiting man. Production has thus been displaced by administration. The visible symbols of profitable power in church, university, state, and business have gained ascendancy over the productive mind and hand. Religiously speaking, this means that form has become more important than substance, and pragmatism has replaced theology. When we look at the world through categories governed by the IRS, we have beggared ourselves intellectually, and we have allowed the taxman rather than the Lord God to frame our thinking. We need to remind ourselves of St. Paul's words. Study to show thyself approved unto God, a workman that needeth not to be ashamed, rightly dividing the word of truth. 2 Timothy 2:15.